Welcome to our English language class. So, in our last two classes, we already completed the story Kali Wants to Dance by Aparna Karthikeyan. The author is Aparna Karthikeyan. So, in the story, Kali is a young boy from a small fishing village of Kovalam in Kerala. From a low-caste family. He is from a low-caste family and a simple kid who goes to school and loves to play. But the one different thing, that is, he loves to dance too. And he imitated famous actor dancer Padmini and he imitated her and soon became a popular dancer in his community and school too. And in a school program, Sara Chanda, a hospital manager in the audience, moved by his talent, by his performance, and she offers Kali to help to train in a famous dance school. And next he begins learning Bharatanatyam in Kalakshetra, a famous dance school in South India. Hard practice in school sometimes make him tired and he cries to Amma. And he cheered him up, his Amma cheered him up again. And next Kali starts getting invitation to perform all across India as he becomes a famous dancer. And after his post-graduation, he completes the postgraduate diploma in dance. He starts a dance school called Kuthambalam in Kovalam. So it is a real story of Kali Virapathiran, probably the only male who has mastered Bharatanatyam at the age of 25. So this story we already completed, and today I will tell you some short question answers on this story and some mixed sentences I'll give you for homework and some word meanings. Okay, so let us start. Chapter 3, Kali Wants to Dance. Firstly, I'll tell you the word meaning. Struggling. Unsuccessful but trying hard. Unsuccessful but trying hard. Next, villains. Character in a story or play who opposes the hero or criminal. Next, archive. A collection of records. Next, mastered. Learned and understood an art completely. Next, siblings, brothers or sisters. It may be brothers and sisters also. Pretense, to give a false appearance. Moved, affected in a positive way. Next, astonished, impressed or amazed. Next, premier, most famous. Opportunity, a chance for promotion. Renowned, famous and respected. Crookedly, at an irregular or improper way. Growl, 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 dull rumbling noise made by throat in anger. Mudras, symbolic hand gestures used in Indian dance. Scary, frightening. Documentary, a film which shows a factual account of something. Salangai, Salangai, musical anklets worn by dancers or ghungroos. Answer the following question in short questions. Number 1. From where does Kali belong? Answer is Kali is from the fishing village of Kovalam in Kerala. Next question number 2. What is the full name of Kali? Answer. Full name of Kali is Kali Veerapathiran. Next 3. Why Kali Veerapathiran called as a hero? Answer. At the age of 25, perhaps Kali, the only male dancer who has mastered the classical dance form Bharatnatyam as well as 3 ancient Tamil folk dance forms. For that he called as a hero. Question number 4. Who is Ellamalli Veerapathiran? Answer. Ellamalli Veerapathiran is Kali's mother. She is a construction laborer. Question number 5. Whom does Kali imitate during his childhood? Answer is Kali imitate the dancer and famous actor Padmini. He watched her TV program and pretends to wear ghungru and dance Bharatnatyam. Question number 6. Who discovers Kali's hidden talent first? When Kali performed on school stage, a renowned person, Mrs. Shara Chanda, moved by his dance performance and discovered his talent. Next, question 7. Name the famous dance school in India which is referred in this story. The Kalakshetra Foundation in Chennai. The name of the dance school is the Kalakshetra Foundation in Chennai. Question number 8. Who is Leela Samson? Answer. Leela Samson is a renowned Bharatnatyam dancer and the head of Kalakshetra Foundation, India's premier dance school. Question number 9. Name 3 kinds of folk dances Kali learned. Answer. 3 kinds of folk dances Kali learned are Oilatam, Thapattam, Karagattam. Next, question 10. How Kali communicate with his classmates? Why he did so? Kali communicate with his classmates by using mudras. As Kali don't know English well, he converses with his mates using mudras. Question 11. Where does Kali started school? When? After completing his PG diploma in dance, Kali started a dance school in Kovalam named Kuthambalam. Question number 12. Name the organization which featured a documentary film on Kali. Answer. The organization People's Archive of Rural India featured a documentary film on Kali. The name of the organization is People's Archive of Rural India. Okay. Now I'll give you the homeworks. Make sentences with the following, and this you do it in your own, but do the all make sentences in your home and practice that. Bharatnatyam, archive, Salangai, mudra, talented, crooked, Grohl interview. Okay, so that's all for today's class, and remember, I'll give you the PDF on question in PDF format, all the question answers on this chapter in our next class. Okay, so you please read the chapter thoroughly and try to remember this question answer and do your homework. Okay, till then, bye.